Mm. Relationships are a lot like milk. Except maybe you don't know when the expiration date is. You go to drink it at some point, and that shit tastes sour. That's what happened with me. She's out of my life now, though. That shit spilled, but I ain't crying over it. Until maybe today. My name's Joey Caldwell, and this is The Bird. It was a good day. I was sitting in my chair, wind on my face, and there was a knock on the door. The fuck is that? Better not be that bitch. God damn it. I don't know anymore, man. I think I found my friend. We're gonna take over the world together. He and I. Cal Gunderson, Joey Caldwell versus the world. We can hug each other, cuddle each other, tickle each other, kiss each other. It wouldn't be gay. It'd be just right. We can boogie down the street, laugh, tell me jokes, beat up homeless people. Yeah, that's the kind of relationship I want. I think he's dead. Let's dispose of the body. This bench right here, this is where we learn to love. It's where we put the dead body. It's where we first made eye contact. The world is our oyster. Oh, and here's that fucking bitch again. Fuck you! God damn it. What a day. You and me, we're going places, bud. I don't know where, but we're gonna fly away. I am the bird. Oh, God.
I think we got it.
I don't know. Who fucking knows at this point?